శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. Sri Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Parikshittu, the king, is now having a conversation and giving some kind of solace to Dharmadevata and Bhumata, helping them to get peace of mind. Also, Parikshit Narendra decided to kill Kalipurusha, who is standing right next to Dharmadevata and Bhumata, who is also in the form of king. So Parikshit Narendra is now taking his sword to kill that Kalipurusha. At that time Kalipurusha fell on the feet of Parikshit, the king, and saying that tat padamulam sirasa, he is surrendering to Parikshit Narendra. Then Parikshit Narendra thought that whoever surrenders, we should not be killing them. Ahachedam hasanniva. Now while smiling at Kalipurusha, Parikshit Narendra is talking to him. O Kalipurusha, we belong to Arjuna's dynasty. Baddhanjalervai bhayamasti kinchit. Whoever surrenders to us, whoever says that please protect us, we would never kill them, and on top of that we will protect them. Now I am not going to kill you, but na vartitavyam kshetre madiye. You should not be staying, you should not be residing, you should not be living in my kingdom. You are not deserved to live in my kingdom. You know why? Tvam adharma bandhuhu. O Kalipurusha, you always help adharmam, you always help support unrighteousness and ethics. That is why you should not be living in my kingdom. What you do usually, wherever you live, you slowly get into the rulers. The moment you get into the rulers, when the rulers become so unrighteous, that is where from there that unrighteousness, that adharmam spreads all over the world. And with that adharmam, taking that adharmam as support, there comes so many bad qualities and spreads all over the country. In that, untruthfulness and stinginess, stealing the things, robbery, cheating, sinful activities, so many, and quarrels. Like this, several of bad qualities spreads all over the moment you enter into the rulers. Like this, Parikshit Narendra is having a talk with Kalipurusha. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.